You scared me.
Got him!
You filming this, dude?
Yeah. I'm going now. Hazel. There you are.
That's the ticket.
You're gonna explode.
Could you please go?
This is my Secret Santa list. Number 1, giant chocolate bar. Number 2, salt shaker. Number 3, Dr. Pepper. Because I know by next year I'm gonna want some Dr. Pepper. Christmas, which is in a month, so Dr. Pepper. I just pulled like 17 of those tartfuls. That thing is huge, full of leaves, all the way from the backyard, all the way to the street. And let me tell you, if that's not a workout, I don't know what it is. It literally goes from my mailbox, which is right there, across my whole yard, across the street. Oh my gosh, and there's still more. We still have like all the way back in my backyard.
3 days later.
Alright boys, the blizzard has started. Can't really see it, but it's starting. It hasn't even got an inch yet, but soon it's gonna be 1 whole foot. 1 whole foot. No! I don't think you can tell, but the flakes have gotten bigger. It's starting to stick now. And I'm still not even home. I hear it, look at that. That's crazy, man. It's pretty freaking gnarly. Oh my gosh, that is cold. I'm gonna do another one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude. This is like the greatest packing snow in the world. Ugh.
Boy, if you don't get.
That was a horrible kick. Oh my gosh, almost slipped on my head. My feet are freezing. Go take a lap around the yard. Oh, I can't see.
You're so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Alright, this is behind the scenes of my Snapchat story. Go add me on Snapchat right here on screen. Really don't want this to fall like last time. Brother. Got him! Oh my gosh. I can't feel my feet. Like, no joke. Can't feel my feet. Just take number 2. Snapchat story, still add me. Still on screen. Don't worry about it. Oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure I was out of frame. Oh, my toes. I flipped out of frame, so this is take number 3. Still add me on Snapchat, still on screen, because, you know. Shameless plugs, my mans. Shameless plugs. Oh, I undertucked. Holy moly guacamole. Oh, I undertucked. Holy moly guacamole. Honestly, sneak peek to, I'm gonna do this inside. Alright, so that one's going as my second Snapchat. This is gonna be the third one. I'm gonna do it way better. So let's freaking go, kids. Oh, my phone fell. Okay, oh, it's windy now. Oh, it's not staying. Okay, let's hope it doesn't fall. Let's go! What was that noise?
Whoa! That is good. That is some quality.
Okay, I think this is take 69, but I'm just gonna go for it at this point. Like, I'm just gonna drop in. I'm just gonna go.
You just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop, drop down, snap. Ah.
Let's go, mate. That was probably my best one yet. Alright, this is about take 420. The snow is picking up. It's getting pretty windy. You know, I don't know. The hurricane is probably gonna come soon. I gotta go pack up my kangaroos. Oh shoot! I almost slipped. Okay, that's my last take. I'm done. Shoot! My phone! Oh shoot, I almost slipped. Okay, that's my last take. I'm done. Shoot! My phone! Guys, I just started filming like a few hours ago and I was at 120 subscribers. Now I'm at 122. I got 2 subscribers from doing nothing. Alright, today guys, I'm gonna be a very blurry man today. You know, there's a blizzard going on right now. I don't know if you can tell. You can't tell from here, but hold on a second. There we go. Like it's snowing a lot. Tomorrow's Monday. I'm not going to school that day. Cause you know I got all that clout, and plus then I actually got a reason now since the roads are gonna be horrible and I have to drive like 30 minutes to get to my school. It's a long story, but you know I don't want to be sliding off the road and dying. You know that's not good. Brett ate all of my hot Cheetos.
Brett ate all my hot Cheetos.
I'm trying to be nice to you.
I had hot Cheetos at work because Chrissy had some.
Why are you bullying me? Why do you always have to start?
Are you still recording?
Dude, there's a whole salad in
That's mine, don't touch it.
Fine. The heck is this? I don't even know. I mean, you haven't eaten the salad yet. Can I have it?
No.
Hazel, wanna go outside? Hazel. Hazel. Outside?
Don't make her go into the blizzard.
It's not really blizzarding right now anymore. Whoosh.
Don't jinx it.
Dude, I'm going to. Oh, you can still see my footprints from when I ran out. Oh my gosh, this thing, it's all fogging up. This thing was outside way too long. Let me just clean off my camera for you guys. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It might be a little choppy at the beginning, but I hope you guys deal with it. I am currently editing the video right now. It's like 10 o'clock at night. That's why I look all tired and my voice is all like this. But I'm filming the outro, and I'm going to be doing this new thing where I shout out some of the people that want to be shouted out. Like today, it's going to be my 2 friends, Wallace and Ashley. And thank you guys for subscribing. I know you guys wanted to be shouted out, so I shouted you out. And if any of you want to be shouted out again, or anybody new, you can comment down below or DM me on Instagram or Snapchat, whatever. And then I'll put your username in, and you can get some clout. You know, it's a win-win. Okay, I get views, you guys get followers. Who wouldn't want that? So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, share the friends you enjoyed, and I'm gonna go edit and go to sleep because I'm about to pass out. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. And I also forgot, before we end this video, one of my friends made me a video, and it says subscribe to channel. You'll see it in a second, but it's really funny. And if any of you guys want to make some for me also, I'll put them in. Just again, DM me on Instagram or Snapchat, and I'll put them in if you want to. So thank you, and just watch the video to see what I'm about to say.